បានពេញខ្លាញ់ជួយកជាត្រីកម្មចកតណាត់ពលិតហពរិបយ district នេះកសិកខណ្ឌៃត្រីឧបណៃយនមកដល់ស្នាមអាចារ្យពលៃ like Kyntiew Kyrdan ya ke Patharkhmah Police Outpost sya ke Patharkhmah Police Station ukongsan hakene ke program udai baksos thani certain MLA ke jirang constituency hak jindor kat jong usar MB Tongper SDO ke Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision pa yum ka hima jirang USP ke Riboy District lempat kiwe ki officer sarkar da ke jing Kyntiew Kyrdan ya ke Patharkhmah Police Outpost sya ke Police Station katanan pulit kan salak ban ai ke jing syakri bakhambha Yakipan jong ka Western Riboy baro ka way.
Okay, on this very special day, I would like to thank God Almighty for the blessings that the MDA government, the MDA 1, now the MDA 2 government under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma, the Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police, and we are all together witnessed this great occasion for the people of Western Riboy, especially the people of our areas here at Patharkhmah, that today we are going to unveil the Patharkhmah Police Outpost being upgraded to a police station. It's a great day for all of us. It's a great day for all the people of Western Riboy and especially the people in and around here in Patharkhmah. So on this day, I have the privilege, I would like to thank the MDA2 government. I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister who is in charge of Home Police. They are so kind to me to do this privilege to unveil the Patharkhmah Police Outpost upgraded to a police station. So on this day, I declare together with the Superintendent of Police of Riboy District, Mr. Giri Prasad, who is a very hard-working officer, the head of the district with a police department, and I would like to inform to all my dear people that this police station belongs to you, and we would like to request you to all the villagers, be confident, don't be afraid, you have to come and meet the officers, because from this day onwards, this police outpost, it will be upgraded to a police station. So now ahead, we will unveil to declare that this police outpost now is known as the Patharkhmah Police Station. Thank you.
So the villages around Patharkhmah, that there needs to be more security because Patharkhmah is very far and it's very far from headquarters now, but it is very near to some bordering areas, and sometimes there are issues of crime increasing in this area. So there is very long demand of people of Patharkhmah. So I spoke to sir. So I told we have written multiple letters to police headquarters and home department. Year after year we have written. Then last year MLA sir asked me, so what do you want me to do immediately? So I told sir, now we have to put pressure to ensure that it is immediately upgraded. Government notification should be out. I'm telling you why it is difficult to upgrade an outpost into police station. The strength of an outpost is very less, infrastructure is very less. But if it is a police station, it incurs economical cost. Because if there are 10 personnel before, now it will be 50 personnel. And it gives government exchequer. I mean, government has to pay their salaries. So it is not very easy for upgradation of an outpost to a police station because it involves government expenditure. So that is why Sir was consistently pursuing with our Home Department and concerned Minister as well as with our police headquarters to ensure for the safety of people of Patharkhmah, it has to be done immediately. Sir, I thank you so much, sir. After 40 years, now we are able to achieve this feat and very helpful, and you have pursued a lot for this one, sir. And there is one more good things the sir will reveal during his speech. One more surprise for the people of Jirang constituency. And I am very thankful also to SDO Civil, who has also been a very supportive factor for us and in organizing this function. Then our Tongpa DSP headquarters, he has been looking after the preparations for this function for 2-3 days consistently. And also all our police personnel who are now a part of Patharkhmah police station, I wish them very all the best. And I also would like again thank sir that your pursuit has definitely helped us and Riboy police also. Now we are also a little bit peaceful that yes, now it is a police station, we can get more police personnel and it will be helpful for us for ensuring the safety of the people. And now people of Patharkhmah did not go to Nongpo because police station was under Nongpo, which is 2 hours away from here. Now they can directly approach Patharkhmah for any FIR because when you file an FIR to an outpost, it is never registered under the outpost. It has to always be taken to the Nongpo. So today you are giving one FIR. For registering, it will almost take 1 day because our personnel has to prepare all the details and then take it to Nongpo, then action has to be taken. Now, it's not required. Now you directly file an FIR here, it will be immediately registered and OC can take necessary action to give justice and also to the security of the people of Patharkhmah.
Paim Jagahima Jirang Nangdai Singkana Jongka Himanong Klau, the representatives Naki Hima Baro, Additional SP in charge of Patharkhmah Police Station, Nanta ki staff Baro, Jongka Police Department, Nado na headquarter Nongpo, Aki Police Station ki prepare Gerpang ya kani ka police station ka baladep ban upgrade, baladep ban puli meta kesengi. Nanta ki outpost ki prepare, bat baro ki ba day pay day kmi, kamtam ya ka law and order. Kani kesengi ngalaban ong, kesengi ka ba kanlong ka jingsngan na kabenta kipat nong syong senong tang ya ka Patharkhmah hindi ya ki areas baro kiba they hap they kentup lang ha ka jingpe jingkmi jong kaneka police station Kajingang nut kajong kipay ba kalawan ban urlong nadu kisnem kibalalay hakaba ngasuban penpau ya ka jingsngongu kabakraw ya ka Solkar MDA 1 haka JLM jong Honorable Chief Minister jongi Sir Conrad K. Sangma Hakaba ladep ban pli ya ka Patharkhmah ladep ban upgrade ya ka Patharkhmah Shaka Civil Subdivision. Bat ya ka jingyo ka jungi ya ka Civil Subdivision. Lingba ka jingsim lingba ka jingkit kli. Ba ka Solkar MDA 1. Kasngap yake ka jingkar pat ka jong UMLA jong hui. Many rounds of discussion with the SP of Riboy, Mr. Giri Prasad. Is also very much concerned for the people of Jirang constituency. And we move ahead with these proposals. And I would like to thank God. I would like to thank each and everyone, the police department, right from the head of the district, SP, SDO civils, and all the concerned leaders who have worked hard. We can convince government. And I would also like to thank once again to the MDA2 government under the leadership of Sir Conrad K. Sangma and the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Home Police, Sir Preston Tensong, who was so kind enough for the people of Jirang constituency.
Ban pensa yala dusturiti la hajong la jong ne hajong jong kiwi jinglong den rai ka si sha pertele saki kupun gabri uhen ya tepto yang menyateli ban pensa yala dusturiti la hajong la jong ne hajong jong kiwi jinglong den rai ka si sha Saki. Hoi, 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 Kyntiew. Hoi, 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 Kyntiew. Bukan yang bukan, boy uwan. Tonyin yang sedang badai kendil jom ni dan tim slam. Amgi ura jadi duci potani jadi jong to ijusa serong ne prim ne sang to ijong te ijong ihai bukan ya bukan boy uwan jongin ne sang badai kendil jong kita kinsel